The letter A is for airplane, flying high through the fluffy white clouds in the
B
bright
is for
blue.
bomber jet voice.
C is for cargo plane. It is a very large aircraft used for transporting heavy goods across the entire world today.
D is for drone. Watch how the drone flies over the beautiful green hills and the winding river below us today. E is for emergency helicopter. This brave rescue team works together to save lives on the mountain with their fast helicopter today. F is for fighter jet. This incredible machine dominates the skies with speed and precision, showcasing the power of modern aerospace engineering today. D is for glider. It soars gracefully through the bright blue sky above the lush green rolling hills of the peaceful countryside landscape.
H is for helicopter. H is for helicopter. Learning the alphabet is so much fun.
Represents Indian Air Force, a symbol of pride, strength, and unwavering dedication to protecting the skies of our great nation India.
J is for jet plane, an amazing way to travel through the clouds and across the beautiful blue sky today.
K is for kite plane. It is soaring high above the blue ocean in the bright and sunny sky.
L is for luxury jet, representing the finest way to travel for those who enjoy the ultimate in comfort and style.
M is for military helicopter voice.
N is for Navy aircraft. O is for ornithopter. See how it glides through the air, using its mechanical wings to soar.
The letter P is for passenger plane, which is a large aircraft used to transport people to different destinations across the world today.
Q is for quick jet. This fast airplane zooms across the bright blue sky above the hills.
The letter S is for Space Shuttle, which travels high into the sky and explores the vastness of outer space. T is for transport plane, a massive aircraft built to carry heavy cargo across long distances for the Air Force. U is for ultralight aircraft, soaring high above the beautiful green fields and rolling hills of the peaceful countryside on this sunny day. V is for VTOL, an aircraft that can take off and land vertically, perfect for versatile operations over the open sea.
W is for warplane, a fast-flying machine, soaring high above the green fields and the small towns.
X is for X-plane. The experimental jet soars through the blue sky, cruising smoothly above the green hills and the little town below. Y is for yellow seaplane. Watch as it soars through the blue sky and glides across the calm, sparkling water today. Z is for Zeppelin. It is a large airship floating gracefully over the green hills and the small, quiet village below us.